Galaxy Escape, a game as a tabletop holographic digital twin interface. Written by Iina Nikkarikoski, Johanna Pehkonen, Iiris Kivelä, Paula Alavesa and Mikko Korkiakoski. We introduce a multiplayer tabletop augmented reality game for Tilt 5 called Galaxy Escape. As can be guessed from the name, the game design follows the escape room metaphor. The game's purpose is twofold: 1, to be an entertaining game that interfaces with data, and 2, to explore the potential of game interfaces for digital twins. The gameplay is as follows. The players start at a tutorial area, where they learn controls. Game starts. There are tasks in the room. There are also hidden clues to be found. The door can only be opened with a right combination to a combination lock. One of the players is in another room on the game board. Physically, all players are by the game board. Players must communicate to solve the clues before time runs out. We ran an explorative small-scale user study as a pilot with 11 participants. 2 groups of 3 players played in the room the game scene is modelled after, and 2 groups played in an office. We collected basic usability and user experience data and conducted group interviews. Our findings show that basic usability and user experience in all groups were high. The most interesting, though only suggestive, finding was that in the Galaxy room, the players' sense of co-presence was higher.